Hey guys, so what I want to do today is talk about our pre-build stage, which not many people know how we work. The clients here at this project in Sydney have been living in Hong Kong for the last 9 months. So as you can imagine, communication needs to be perfect. The online systems that we use to run our business, it's an app. The clients get logged in to that app and they get to see everything for their job. So this project, before they left for Hong Kong, they made all their selections with us. So we do all their design work, we help them pick everything to make sure it all works, we make them choose their selections, they approve them, and they're in our system ready to go. One, we can quote off those products so we know exactly what the job's gonna cost to install those items. And then secondly, it also helps us to then, when it's time to install those products, we can make sure that they're pre-ordered and in our sheds, ready to start the job, and then we can get into it. So without the systems and the processes that we have in place, this build, over 400 square meters, 2 stories, 6-bedroom home, would not have been built in 9, nearly 10 months. So without that organisation and that communication, this doesn't happen. Our clients get a login on Builder-Trend. So when you log in as a client, you'll get to see your schedule, you'll get to see your daily logs, which my team put up every day that they're on site. So you get, if you're living in Hong Kong and you're not here and you can't see what's going on site, every day when we finish, we put a daily log in attached with photos and a written description of what's been happening on site, and you guys can see exactly what's going on. That communication is paramount. As builders, we're not salesmen, but we're very good at what we do. And our process is all about educating you on our systems and processes, on how we work. And how we work is we're here for you to make sure we can save you as much money and time as possible. Making sure that everything is in line and everything is lined up, the selections are done before we start the job, there's no confusion, there's no waiting for materials to rock up after we're ready for them, and it holds the job up for 6 weeks. We don't have any of those lag times, and that's all down to the nitty-gritty, the organisation and the communication, and that's something we pride ourselves on, and that's something that we're very good at.